What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This is Sawyer Custom and Speed. We typically play with motocross stuff, trikes and quads. Today, we're out doing yard work. This big red has been in the family for every bit of 12, 15 years. I traded car parts for it a long time ago. I taught a lot of people how to ride trikes on this thing. This and an 86 200X. This is a 1986 Honda 250 ES Big Red. No, I don't ride it very nice, but hey, it's a workhorse. This thing has been a yard hand, ranch hand workhorse for many, many years. We throw trailers and all kinds of stuff behind it. She doesn't worry one bit about dragging anything around. Load it up, click it in gear, off you go. Old Mr. Odin keeping tabs on me, making sure I do things the safe way. We know about them German Shepherds. They like watching people. So yeah, we turn around. I did some yard work today, mowed the lawn, did a whole bunch of clipping on some trees and stuff. So now, turn around, use the old Big Red for what she was designed for. A ranch hand. Absolutely love this thing. It's probably one of the best three-wheelers made. So reliable, so durable. I am not going to lift this one. This one stays stock and it gets used as an I need you to pull stuff and workhorse. We'll get you guys some different views of rolling around, playing around with the camera on a boom. Try and get you guys some interesting shots. Always having fun on this channel, doing builds, rip downs, riding, racing, all kinds of fun stuff. If you haven't subscribed, you might want to think about hitting that subscribe button. It's free, only takes a second. It really helps the channel out. Watching these videos as long as you possibly can is also a massive help. Really appreciate everybody that supports the channel and the stuff that I do. You guys need anything done, you know how to get a hold of me, that's for sure. I get all kinds of texts all day long. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoy what I'm doing. Really can't complain. Pretty much living a dream. Motocross life has been really good to me. Can't say that anything negative about it except, well, it's expensive as hell. Other than that, too much fun. Takes a toll on the body after a while, but to me, it's completely worth it. I get to play around on the motocross track, which of course, I can't just give you guys some riding around on the Big Red and unloading and loading up the trailer stuff with different shots. I gotta put this thing back on the track and get you guys some rip around videos also, so those are further down. At this point, we get some good views